Sometimes it feels like, for sure. All right, here we are. Got one. What do we got? What do we got? It's a nice one for sure. Little sunfish looks like. Got that on video for y'all too. First fish of the day. How'd you take it, dude? There you go. Got you loose. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna switch you from one hand to the other and get my phone out so I can take her Instagram picture. That's a nice looking sunfish. He's a nice size, no doubt. Probably not an eater. But if I was starving, I think I could eat it. Love you too. Bye. Oh, on the wacky rig, and I'm pretty sure something just hit it. I was talking to my wife, hence the I love you. And she wants me to say, here, fishy, fishy. For some reason, I don't know why. She says, she just likes to hear me say that. So, already had having a decent morning. It's probably 11:30, somewhere in that neighborhood now. I've been out here for a few minutes. Throw it around in the, oh, you can't throw it like that. Started off in the corner over there with some weeds and a spinner bait. No success. Didn't stay there but just a few minutes. Then I went over to the bluegill bed. Come on, man. And got us a nice little red ear. So move down over here, and it's gonna throw in the old wacky rig. Saturday, June, whatever Saturday of June was, 2025. I think it's the 7th or the 8th. I'm not 100% sure. June the 7th. So now I'm getting a call from my mom. Bring y'all back. All right, we're back. That was my mom calling me, and she asked me a very odd question, and so this is something I want to share with everybody. She asked me if I had gotten a ticket while I was driving her truck. And yesterday is the only time I've driven her truck in a while, because we had, not yesterday, but the day before, because I had to take Christy, my wife, to the doctor and over in Huntsville, and she I just wanted her to be comfortable. The van don't have good air, and it don't ride too smooth, and it gives me fits, but it got us there. But so I asked my mom if I could use your truck. Either way, that's not the point of the story. The point of the story is she got a thing on Facebook, so you got to watch out for the Facebook scammers, saying that she owed, or she only had so many days to take care of a ticket that didn't have her name on it, or my name on it, or anybody's name on it. So be careful out there on the Facebook world. People trying to scam your money. I told her, Mom, if I'd have got a ticket, you'd have known about it already, which she definitely agreed. And if she felt like she needed some kind of confirmation, call the DMV. they'll let you know. Plus, they will, more than likely, if you're running out of time, they will have sent you something in the mail to let you know. I don't know these facts because I don't generally have problems with the court system or the DMV or anybody. But it is a thing. It happens. So just be careful out there, okay? Now, back to fishing. Still on the old wacky rig, but we had one tap, I think, on this thing so far. And so we are about to pull out and go to a different spot. I've only got a couple hours to fish. We're supposed to have bad thunderstorms ruining my fishing trip at about 1 o'clock. So, and then it's supposed to rain. Look, according to the forecast, it'll be raining all the way up and thunderstorming and stuff till like 5 o'clock. Now, just because it starts raining on us out here, that don't mean I'm necessarily going to be moving or leaving. But if it does start thundering and lightning, I will not be on the water. All right, we're gonna move. Bring y'all back. All right, taking a quick sit-down break. Man, that wind's definitely picking up. Sitting down over here on the big rock I like to sit on sometimes, or every time I come over here, it's most of the time. And this is actually where I caught all my fish yesterday, or a good chunk of them anyway. So we might spend a little extra time here if there's a pattern to be had. But I was thinking I was fishing different. I think I was fishing a speed worm. So, and I lost my pack of speed worms, so I had to go by Walmart and get me another pack. It's not a brand that I normally use, but it looked okay. Seemed to catch fish. So it's the Culprit brand and Junebug. So we'll give them another shot here in a little while. Give this guy a few more rounds and then we may have to try something else. There it is. We got him that time. What do we got? Ooh, a crappie. Man, heck yeah, we'll take it. Come here, Mr. Crappie. You ain't going nowhere, buddy. Oh, hey, quit all that thrashing about, because you're hooked, buddy. You're hooked. You got hooked good. All right. Definitely a nice looking crappie. Man, I was not expecting that bite. Heck yeah, we'll take it. Loving it. Loving it. These are like my second favorite fish to catch, right behind the bass, because these dudes are just wicked gnarly. Look at that. Great looking fish. Great looking fish. I think, I'm not sure he's 9 inches, but he looks like he definitely would be. If we was going to be eating on him, he'd be an eater. I wouldn't have to worry about starving to death after that. Hold on. Somehow or another, we managed to hook, not only wrap the line around the line, but we also managed to Alright, we're gonna have to rehook this guy because he got all janky looking. Alright. Back on speed worm. Oh, there comes a bass. Come here, bass. See my little jiggly worm there just coming in front of you? You did see my jiggly worm. You didn't bite it. There he is. Got him that time. Oh no! You gonna make it, fish? He got off. There he went. Dang it. Oh, I do believe that was the same fish I saw in the water. Oh well. That's kind of the way it goes sometimes. Maybe his buddy's with him. I didn't see but one, but you never know. I'm not too keen sometimes sticking my hand down in them rocks, chasing after them, because that's where the note ropes like to hang out. We did most of the important parts. He just catch and release. He kind of released himself after we caught him. Feel that wind coming now. There it is. There it went. My goodness. That's 2 in a row. Oh, we moved back over to the other side of this dock. Throwing the electric blue shad. And sat down on this here rock. My buddy, he caught a couple right here yesterday, sitting right here on this rock. I thought, heck, that's not a bad idea. Sit here on this rock for a minute. Got tired. Kind of tired. Heck yeah, we'll let that sink for a second. There it is. we got? Oh no. 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 No, that was a good looking fish, man. He hit it several times. My goodness. My goodness, that was a good looking fish. There it is again. Oh shit. Get up. Oh, that's a nice looking bass. My God, that was a nice looking bass in here. Oh goodness. Y'all done got me excited now. I hurt my hand trying to get up out off the ground. Crap. Oh man. That sucks. Cause I mean, that was a nice looking one. Did y'all see that on camera? That was a nice looking bass. You don't get those kind of looking bass in here all the time. Not that look that good. Man. Well, them's the brakes on that thing. I done had 2 shots at him and he got away both times. Starting to rain. He didn't miss it by much. It was about 10 minutes after when it started. So, all they didn't get. Oh, well, that's it. Fishing trip's over, y'all. Just saw a big old strike of lightning over there, way off in the distance. And you know anything about lightning, it can go for miles before it hits the ground. So, getting away from the water. That's why we didn't even take our backpack off. Bring y'all back. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me for today. While we did a little fishing before the rain, and we would have stayed a little bit longer if it hadn't started lightning. Looks like the rain's actually slacking up now, but I'm not sure about the lightning, so I had to check the radar. But thanks for hanging out with me. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get all the videos and the shorts. Make sure you jump over to Facebook and Instagram and follow me over there at Paul Goes Outdoors, and we'll see you guys later. Keep getting after it.